Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a beautiful apartment here in Ramsgate. This particular apartment forms part of the bread factory development, using part of the redeveloped mill, which was of course designed in 1865. So the property itself does come with some beautiful characterful features and a stunning aesthetic from the outside, and internally the property is absolutely beautifully presented. You do have that warehouse feel with those gorgeous windows at the side, letting all of that natural light flood through, and the no expense spared finish really is abundantly clear here. So coming straight through into the main living space, we can see we've got a fantastic modern kitchen here with a full range of fitted appliances. The living space itself is light and bright and airy, and it doesn't give you any work to do whatsoever. You can move straight in and relax straight away, and that is the fantastic thing about these properties. They are built specifically with relaxation in mind. So having another quick look here at the living space, you can see those lovely big windows just giving us a view over the rooftops of the surrounding properties, and storage really is no problem here at all. The kitchen itself comes with a wide range of cupboard spaces and drawers, and of course just behind us we do have that really convenient storage cupboard as well. The kitchen does come with a full range of NEFF appliances, it's worth noting, and of course you do have a wonderful open feel here too. So let's go through and take a look at the rest of the property. Coming through into the main hallway space here, you can see that we've got, again, nice and light and bright and airy finish, and the bedrooms themselves are a fantastic size. Coming through into bedroom number 1, you can see that we've got the fitted wardrobes, and again another warehouse style window there at the side, just letting all of that natural light flood through. So let's go through and take a look at the ensuite shower room here in the main bedroom number 1, and of course then we'll go through and take a look at bedroom number 2 and the main family bathroom. The ensuite itself, fantastic size, lovely big shower unit there on the left hand side, with of course the loo and the sink unit there as well. So let's go through to bedroom number 2, which you'll see is a fantastic size, again nice and light and bright and airy, and then we'll go through and take a look at the bathroom before recapping a few points on the property. So now that we're coming to the end of today's tour, it's worth recapping a few points on the property. Of course, this is apartment number 12 in the exclusive bread factory development in Ramsgate. This is a first floor apartment with lift access and of course allocated parking, and you are only a few short moments away from Ramsgate train station, so it is perfect for those looking to commute. Really do hope that you've enjoyed looking at the property with us today. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.